What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is going to be a review for TP-Link's newest router. It's the Deco whole home mesh router system. So it blankets your house in internet, and we're going to install it in my brother-in-law's house because currently right now he uses his cable company's router modem setup, and it doesn't even cover his whole house, and he has reliability problems. So hopefully this will help him out. So let's get into the setup, installation, and the final say about it. Inside the box, you get 3 router base stations, and any 3 of these router base stations can be used as the master. And on the back of each one, you do get 2 Ethernet ports, and at the bottom, you do get a power port to power these up. Also within the box, you get 3 AC power adapters, an Ethernet cable, and a setup guide. Next, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create a free TP-Link account. Open the app, select your router, and you're instantly guided through the rest of the setup process, from unplugging and plugging in your modem to the TP-Link Deco M4 router, and also setting up the other base stations to create the mesh network. Overall, setup was simple, clear, and fast. Once everything is set up and running on the TP-Link Deco M4 network, you can go back into the app for even more functionality, from seeing what specific devices are on your network, blacklisting devices that you don't want connecting to your network, simple one-touch firmware updates to improve functionality of the router, advanced features such as port forwarding, DDNS, fast roaming, disabling LED lights, and more. There's also parental controls to keep the little ones out of harm's way on the internet and control their usage, QoS, monthly usage reports, and the ability to add more managers for the router. All right, guys, so we went through the TP-Link Deco setup. That was super simple. That was one of the most impressive things about this. So if you're worried about, being stuck in a setup, it's really easy. You use the app and it guides you through it step by step. Also, one of the other cool things about the router is that you have the ability to use any of the routers as the master, which is awesome, and it makes it slightly easier. Also, just using it, after it's set up, to be able to control it, you do everything through the app, which again, makes things easy, makes things fast, and performance has been fantastic. So whole house coverage. So this is a pretty tall house right off the bat. So there's 3 floors, and every single floor has full bars of Wi-Fi coverage, and the speeds have been great, over 200 megabits per second everywhere in the house. So to have a router that does that, and it's easy setup, it's not that expensive for a whole home router, especially if you have a slightly bigger house. This covers up to 5,500 square feet of space, and you don't have to worry about anything in terms of getting this thing to work or keep working. It's reliable, it's rock solid, the price is great. The features that it has, from being able to control certain devices, to putting kids control, to putting these wherever you want in your house, because they basically just plug in and then you connect them via Wi-Fi. That is an awesome deal in my book. So I would definitely, without a doubt, recommend this router. My brother-in-law's house has gone from spotty Wi-Fi coverage and inconsistent speeds to coverage everywhere, rock solid, and speeds have been awesome. So if you want to pick this one up, I will link it down below. If you're looking for a whole home Wi-Fi router, a mesh network that's easy to use and has great speeds and easy to use features, you should do it. And also, if you want, you can even control some of the features with Alexa. So Alexa, tell TP-Link to turn off router lights.
Okay.
So thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. It's already talking to me. Peace.